Today we're talking about our new wheeled floor tools from Flexaust. This is our heavy duty version. These are more robust products. They have larger wheels. They have a larger throat area so you can pick up larger debris. Same benefits as the regular commercial wheeled floor tool. Turn this for our quick change system. You can change squeegee blades out to brush strips. Squeegee blades here, brush strips here. The necks can be changed just as easily. You twist it until you see the break in the snap ring. Use your thumbs, move it apart, just like this. You can change this out, slide this on. The neck has 2 grooves cut in the sides, and there are 2 actual tabs on the snap ring. Slide it on, pop it into place. You've got a new tool ready to go. The new wheeled floor tools from Flexaust.